Do you ever feel like there's something holding you back from achieving your dreams? Well, the answer lies within you, in the depths of your subconscious mind. Unlocking your desires starts by understanding the power of your subconscious mind. It's like a vault holding the key to all your desires, dreams, and potential. Through my channel, you'll discover how to tap into this incredible power and bring your desires to life. Imagine having the ability to attract success, abundance, and happiness effortlessly. It all starts with reprogramming your subconscious mind. By replacing limiting beliefs with empowering thoughts, you can completely transform your life. Imagine your mind as a powerful computer, one that's been running the same program and software since you were born. This software is made up of beliefs, thoughts, and patterns. Just like any computer, it's possible to update and change this software. The secret to an extraordinary life transformation lies in reprogramming your subconscious mind. The subconscious mind is a fascinating and mysterious force. It's like a vast ocean beneath the conscious mind's surface, controlling about 95% of our thoughts and actions. What's truly intriguing is that much of this power operates without our conscious awareness. Our deep-seated beliefs, learned in childhood and solidified over years, silently steer our decisions, behaviours and habits. And this is usually the first 7 years of a child's life. But here's where the magic happens. By changing these deeply rooted beliefs, we can dramatically alter the course of our lives. It starts with understanding that many of our beliefs, especially limiting ones, are not our own. They are inherited narratives from family, society, or past experiences. Recognizing this is empowering. It means we have the power to rewrite our own story. There's a few key steps in this. The first is awareness. The first step is recognizing the limiting beliefs hold you back. These might be your thoughts like, I'm not good enough, or I can't achieve my dreams, or I'm no good at that. Awareness is like turning on a light in a dark room. It makes change possible. Affirmations and visualization is another step. Once you identify these beliefs, you can begin to counteract them with affirmations. Positive, empowering statements, when repeated with conviction and emotion, can start to rewire your brain. Visualization enhances this process. Neville Goddard talks about this. I suggest you look into that. Imagine yourself achieving your goals, feeling the success, and living your dream life. Next step is mindful meditation or mindfulness. These practices help you stay connected to your present moment experience, providing a break from the constant chatter of the subconscious mind. They open up a space for new thoughts and patterns to take root. And another step is consistency. Transformation doesn't happen overnight. It requires constant effort. Regularly practicing affirmations, visualizations, and mindfulness creates new neural pathways in your brain, leading to lasting change. Consider the story of Thomas Edison, who despite thousands of failures, never believed he was failing. He reprogrammed his mind to see each attempt as a step closer to success. Or think of athletes who use visualization to enhance their physical performance, proving the mind-body connection is incredibly strong. By reprogramming your subconscious, you're not just changing your thoughts, you're tapping into the power to reshape your reality. It's about moving from a life that happens to you to a life that happens for you. You'll find yourself making different choices, attracting new opportunities, and experiencing a profound shift in how you interact with the world. This journey isn't just about achieving specific goals. It's about unleashing your full potential, discovering a deeper sense of purpose, and living with a sense of wonder and possibility. It's about becoming the architect of your reality, crafting a life that resonates with your deepest desires and aspirations. Remember, the only limits that exist are the ones you place on yourself. When you change your inner world, the outer world changes with you. It all starts from within. in the powerful, mysterious, and incredibly potent realm of your subconscious mind. The journey of transforming your life is not just a path of external change, but an exciting adventure of internal discovery and empowerment. So dare to dream big, challenge your old beliefs, nurture your mind with thoughts that uplift and inspire. The power to transform your life is not just in the world around you. It lies deep within the uncharted territories of your subconscious mind. Embark on this journey of transformation, and you might just be amazed at how the world transforms with you. Like the old saying goes, you are what you eat, and you become what you believe and what you say. I have developed a series of powerful videos and exercises that will guide you on this transformative journey. Visualizations, hypnosis, affirmations, and meditation are just a few tools we'll provide to unlock the full potential of your subconscious mind. By harnessing the power of your subconscious mind, you can align your thoughts and desires with the universe. It's like sending a clear signal to the universe, magnetizing your desires and manifesting them into reality. Now, are you ready to unleash your desires and manifest the life you've always dreamed of? Join my channel and discover the secret of harnessing the power of your subconscious mind.